Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm with my friend Bryce and we're gonna check out the new update. They added this new bat. Like if you hit them, they change colors. Hey Bryce, hit me. Look, see? So like, I wanna show you guys some more of the update, but first I gotta, oh shoot, my eye itches. Let me, Bryce, get two. So we're gonna go kill the ogre. In this new update, they added like a giant piñata. And now I guess they added back like the blue crates. If you guys remember them from the Christmas update. Bryce, say something.
Okay.
There's the
Where's
big
the ogre?
piñata, and the chickens are
Ew,
now
why are there-
piñatas. So like, technically, the chicken food is like rare. Kill the ogre! Kill the ogre!
What is that?
It's a giant piñata. It's a giant chicken piñata. Oh wait, Bryce! Wait, Bryce, stop real quick. Also, they added these. Like, they give you money.
Can you pick them up?
Yeah.
They give you 1,000 each one?
Bryce, watch out.
There's a big piñata.
Also, when you kill the piñata, Bryce, when you kill the piñata, oh shoot! Watch out! Watch out! Go!
Whoa, what's happening? Why are they over here?
Because whenever you break the piñata, they spawn. Okay. Oh, hold on, wait, kill this dude real quick. Okay.
Are these things strong? I don't see the big
So
ones.
they added back the blue crates.
Oh, they give you a lot.
Look, see? Ooh, pick up.
Oh, so they're not OG anymore?
Whoa, no.
Mason, they're not OG anymore?
No, they're not OG. Since you could both shoot.
Take these
Well,
over.
actually, they are, but like, they're just in the game now. Oh my goodness, I just got an RPG.
Dude, kill them. They're in a pile. Kill them. They're in a pile.
No. I'll shoot the big one. The big chicken piñata thing. Shoot. Back up. Oh, there's a bomb. You, Bryce. Get your piñata sticks. Bro, run. Get your piñata sticks and just whack them. They'll kill them. Bryce, hit them with your piñata sticks.
I can't grab them.
He'll die. The piñata sticks are really strong. Actually, I think they made the ogre weaker. Oh,
Wait,
Bryce,
the big
watch
one,
out.
the big one,
It takes like 9 RPGs. I saw a video this guy tried to kill this dude. It takes 9 RPGs to kill him. So, it might take a while. Or we could just do this. Oh my goodness! Kill him!
Why are these things so strong?
So guys,
What's this?
that's like the end of the video, I guess. Bryce, watch out. Wait, I want to test something. Okay, yeah, that does nothing. I thought it would like blow it up and like it would give us the stuff. Oh, a revolver. So guys, what's this like? Oh, Bryce, you want this revolver? Bro,
Yeah, sure.
that's basically like it. Cause there's like, that's the only good stuff. But it's a pretty cool update. Like, you get lots of money. Wait, Bryce, save your bullets for the big guy. So
There was ammo.
that's it. So just bye, guys.